As you can see, I got the frame rail straightened out and I have the donor section all lined up and everything is ready for welding. You won't even believe how I was pulling without a ram. It was the weekend. There was no way to buy a new pump. So I actually added a whole nother hydraulic cylinder to the frame machine. It still needs a little bit of finesse work there, but this one I was pumping with my 10-ton hand pump, and this one I was pumping with the little central pneumatic Harbor Freight crap. And believe it or not, it pulled it out. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it up, and once we get it welded up, the boys will spray it in and get this thing all put back together. I got the frame rail all welded up and it looks really good. I ended up welding it twice. I did one weld all the way around, grinded it down, and then welded it again so it's nice and strong. Everything looks really good. Now it's time to assemble everything.
Here. Almost show me the board. Wait, why would the rails be bent? Who cares? If you take a hit, it pushed the bottom over and you only pushed the bottom but you didn't pull the top. So when you pull the top, it's gonna just, you know?
Yeah, it's gonna do exactly what you just did.
Look, see, gap perfect. All trucks kind of color.
It is, ain't it? That's the cool thing about these trucks is you don't have to waste money on paint. You can just prime it. Hey, I'm telling you, man, it's the same color. Gap's a little big, sir.
Gap is getting adjusted.
Dang, that looked like Willie's uncle sent them.
You sure do.
Very nice. These guys just stay bringing boxes.
This beautiful packaging there. Boom.
Wow.
Pre-cut, everything.
Wow. They look like Chevy headlights.
Yeah, they kind of do. Yeah, this ain't no Chevy. Yeah, these don't require the module. Plug and play.
Nice. But yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
That's right now.
Much better.
Look at that factory.
Boom, back to factory. See, some shops don't do this, but we do. We are OEM plus.
I wonder what shop got all that overspray on there.
OEM plus. Really needed a frame, honestly.
They should have put a frame on it, buddy. I can just see people in my comment section. Ben would have put a frame on it.
There you go. We're trying to be environment friendly here.
That's right. That's right.
Make too much production, you know?
Not too much production. We're trying to save plastic, man.
Can I try now?
Oh boy. Park a Cadillac in there.
Snap the throttle there. What's the thing? Whoa.
What's going on over here, boys?
I think we overpulled it.
I think we overpulled it.
Probably gotta go back over that way just a little bit.
Who's telling us to pull it that much?
That's what the dimensions were saying. That is awfully weird though.
That is weird.
I mean, we can just loosen those bolts up.
Wait, loosen the fender to where it's completely loose. Leave the bolts in.
Yeah.
Leave the bolts in, just let them loose. Let it move around. All right, now close it.
That's probably what
Close it and push it in.
Oh, see, it's bearable, you know.
Yeah, it should be fine. What you mean? Twist that thing out to where the hood line's at.
The middle one. Hey,
Yeah, look at that. Look at that thing moving, man.
Ah, dude. What are you talking about? Now, move this one in. Oh, really?
I think you're a genius, don't you? All right,
He doesn't think. He knows.
close it down, yonder. Yup.
Look at that, buddy.
Hey, Jake, let's lift it. Let's fix
Let's
this.
loosen that hinge.
What was you worried about, man? Over here trying to pull stuff. Oh man, devalued.
Bam. I mean, the hood could come back a little bit.
It don't want to in the front.
The front's good.
No, but if this gap opens up a little bit, you move the hood back a little bit, it'll fix this, it'll fix that, and it'll fix you.
Let's fix it then. Get it done.
I wonder how Tim's BRZ is.
Yeah, he's probably already over there. Oh, that's all I need.
Close it down.
That's all it wanted.
Hey, try now.
Close it
We already
down.
know it's gonna be good.
Dude, that's fine
Is it good?
Need to loosen it and then tighten that first one first, and then bring that fender out a little bit. You know what I'm talking
trying
about?
to see what's going on here, though.
Ain't nothing going on over there.
Yeah. Oh, what were you saying? Here, lift it up.
Lift it, lift it. Do that very first one first, but move it in. No. Don't tighten none of these yet. Yeah.
Move it in.
Yeah, move it in. Now, hold on. No. You might have to do the middle one too. Close it.
Down, watch it. Be that.
Close it. Yeah, I told you,
Wait,
middle
what
one.
happened? Who did
Middle
that?
one.
Who did that?
Middle one.
Man.
Lift it up.
Middle one first. You gotta always start from that last one.
You know what the middle child
You need to loosen that first one too.
This one?
Yeah. Now move in the middle one. You didn't move it.
Matt.
You didn't move it.
Matt.
Oh. All right, close it. Yeah, beautiful. Not really, but kinda.
That needs to go. That needs to go down a little bit more.
And that's the shape of the fender too.
The hood. No,
Oh,
see
I
that
don't know what y'all talking about. That's,
Here, before you do that,
Team, let me just put this gap in a little bit, lift it up. Oh, yeah.
ah, sorry. What are you stressing about?
A Ford dealership in here, man. Look at them gappages.
Oh, yeah.
Them gapes.
Yeah. What? Say it's not. What?
Oh, you do.
Watch me running
No, I died.
Hey, buzz it in front. Show him how it's done.
It's not, you gotta drill it through.
Show him how it's done. You want a cookie?
If you got one,
I'll take it. Not fair that you do that.
you close that hood.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, there's one more bolt. Hold on, let's at least get another one in there.
Pop another boot in here. Yeah, close. Yeah.
Looks brand new, like nothing ever happened. Like nothing ever happened, buddy. Look at that.
Is this just primer? Is this?
Yeah, it's just black primer.
Go, straight shot, Dave. Go, your turn.
Anti-theft.
Anti-theft, baby. No, we're professionals. We unhook before we weld.
See, that was a Mike instinct right here.
Yep.
Starting it? No, not anything.
Yeah, frame rail. Woo!
Like that? Brand new.
Another happy customer.
Yes, sir. You see my smile?
Let me see it again. Oh, dang.
Can't buy that smile.
You can't. Well, there it goes. There she goes.